Fenw i 𝗙𝗵𝗆𝗆, mae'n pleser i bod yn Croeserw heddi i digwyddiad cyntaf cynllun ceidwad sgiliau. Mae'n siawns ffantastig i siarad gyda phobl y cymuned dan o rai o cwrsiau sydd ar gael mewn grŵp colegau NPTC. This event has been funded by the 𝗙𝗵𝗆𝗆 Prosperity Fund, and it's a fantastic chance to do engagement in an area we haven't had the opportunity to do a lot in previously. This is a fantastic partnership with us, Wildfox Resorts, NPT Council and NPT CVS. This is the first of 3 initial events that we have planned in the area. We're hoping to continue lots more in the future. So this first one's in Croeserw, then we have another one planned in 𝗙𝗵𝗆𝗆 on the 10th of April from 4 until 7 p.m. It's an evening event, and then another one on the 17th of April in the 𝗙𝗺 Community Centre in 𝗙𝗺𝗆. These again, for anyone who didn't get a chance to come today, this is a fantastic opportunity to learn more about some of the courses we have available, learn a little bit more about the Wildfox Resorts project that's hoping to be opened up in the Afan Valley, and it is a fantastic chance just to talk to a number of different departments throughout the college, or potentially other people who are going to be at the event to hear more about what we have available in the area. Today we have a fantastic selection of activities available. We have our magic mirror photo booth, we have some have-a-go equipment that lots of people can have a chance to play around with. There's VR welding from the engineering department, we have some construction activities like foam bricks and making birdhouses, as well as some cakes from the hospitality and catering department. There's also a fantastic selection of different people from the local council, voluntary services, a great opportunity for people to learn more about what things they have available in the area. We're hoping to engage with the Afan Valley a lot more. This is a fantastic opportunity, and for all the local people of the community to find out what courses they have on their doorstep. We have Neath College, Afan College, Maesteg Construction Centre right on their doorstep, where they have a fantastic opportunity to do full-time or part-time courses. And this event today, along with the couple others we have planned, is for anyone to get a bit more context or detail as to what they have available.